Welcome back, my wonderful members. I am here today with Sandy Lieberg, our winner of our vodka cocktail crafting contest. Today, she is going to be showing us one of her specialty drinks, the pink coconut. The pink coconut consists of our Smirnoff vanilla vodka, some cranberry juice, our cream of coconut, and is garnished with a bit of coconut on top. Not only is it nice and creamy and tropical, but it's definitely refreshing and it's very, very good. So well done.
Thank you. Well, the reason that I make the pink coconut is a few years ago, my girlfriends and I were in Chicago and we were going to a Bon Jovi concert. We had a couple hours to kill before the show and we went to a bar and a waitress walked by with a tray of the pink coconuts. I didn't even know what was in it, but it was so pretty. I said, bring me one of those. And then I had the bartender come out and tell me what was in it, and we've been making them ever since. So let's get started. We'll show you how to make it. I'm gonna start out with some ice. And then it's really easy. It's a 3-2-1, 3 parts cranberry, 2 parts of vanilla vodka, and 1 part cream of coconut. So we've got 3, the cranberry juice. And then 2 parts of vanilla vodka. You can add a little extra if you like. And here's the cream of coconut, 1 part of that. I think that mixed with the cranberry juice is what makes it such a pretty color. So then you're gonna put your shaker on and shake away to get it all mixed up. All right. And then we'll put this on here to drain out the ice and pour it into your favorite martini glass. Then we're gonna add a little bit of coconut for garnish. Beautiful pink color, the pink coconut. And there it is, the pink coconut.
All right, now it is time for my favorite part, taste test.
All right.
Cheers.
It's delicious. It's creamy, it's sweet, it's got a hint of the tropics. Love it.
Very well done. So you can try the wonderful pink coconut featured here at the Rookery over the upcoming weeks. Our next contest is the bourbon cocktail crafting contest. And after that, we're gonna follow up with our after dinner drinks. So I look forward to all your submissions. Check the website for your submission dates. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, but come on down and try the pink coconut. Happy pouring.